Hello viewer, today's lesson is about drawing using tone to make your drawings more realistic, and I've chosen this setting because it's a typical building that you would see in a Ghibli film, particular Whisper of the Heart. So the reason I've chosen it, apart from the nostalgia of Ghibli films, is that there's very basic geometric shapes, nothing's fancy or anything like that. And I want to recommend that you draw as many of these very simple shapes. Nothing exciting, but very, very good practice. So please follow along. Later in the film, in the video, sorry, later in the video, I'll show you just half a minute of a nice little scene in Tokyo. So I look forward to that later on. Well, there you have my drawing here. Very ordinary scene, just very simple, but lots and lots of tone. So look for pictures. Go to Pexels or Pixabay and find simple images such as this, and practice tone. So you want to make yourself a tone chart and practice making them over and over, and trying to practice seeing the deeper tone and the lighter tone and how they work together, and also practice hatching, which is an essential skill for any artist to to use. So please like and give me a comment, and please subscribe and support my channel. Many more videos like this. And can I recommend that you check out this video coming on the screen now? I think it will be helpful for you. Bye for now.